Today we are going to talk about financial technology or fintech. Fintech is the innovative use of technology to improve or automate financial services. Let's look at the rise of fintech. We have digitalization, changing consumer behavior, emerging technologies. Digitalization. Increased digitalization of a financial services have perceived the way of fintech innovation, allowing more convenient, personalized, and data-driven financial management. 2. We have changing consumer behavior. Consumer, especially young generation, are demanding more intuitive, mobile-friendly, and consumer financial solution, driving the growth of fintech. Number 3, we have emerging technologies. Advancements in areas like artificial intelligence, AI, blockchain, a cloud computer having enabled the development and transformative fintech application. Now, let's look at the disruptive fintech innovation under the financial technology. We have peer-to-peer, micro investments, crowding funding. So, talking about the peer-to-peer lending, fintech platform that connects borrowers direct with the lending passing traditional financial institution. 2. Micro investments. Micro investment app that enable users to automatically invest in small amounts of money, making investments more accessible. 3. We have crowdfunding. Online platform that allow individuals to collect funds. Now, looking at the mobile payments. Under the mobile payments and digital wallets, we have contactless payments, digital wallets, mobile banking, or QR code. Contactless payments, tap to pay solution allow for quick and convenient transaction using a mobile device. 2. We have digital wallets, app that store payments information, enabling users to make a purchase online or in person with a physical card. 3. We have QR code, scanning or initiate secure digital. 4. We have mobile banking, accessing the banking services, managing the financial direct from the smartphone or tablet. Now, looking at the blockchain and the cryptocurrency. Talking about the blockchain and cryptocurrency under the financial technology, we have blockchain is decentralized distribution digital ledger that record transactions across many computers in a network. 2. We have smart transaction. Smart contracts. Smart contract is a self-executive contract with a term of agreement direct written into the code and leaves transparent and automated transaction. Now, let's look at the artificial intelligence and machine learning in fintech. Number 1, we have fraud detection. AI and ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning, can analyze transaction patterns to identify and preserve fraudulent activities in real time. Number 2, we have personalized recommendation. Fintech app can use AI to provide personal financial advice, products, recommendation, and investment strategy. Now, by looking at the process automation, AI, artificial intelligence, automated can streamline various financial tasks such as loan approval. Now, looking at the regulatory challenge and compliance, we have 2. Number 1, we have regulatory oversight, data privacy. Talking about regulatory oversight, fintech company must investigate a complex landscape of financial regulation and comply with the strict guidelines to protect customers. Number 2, data privacy. Ensuring the security storage and responsible use of the customer data in a critical concern for the fintech firm. Now, what are the features of fintech? Number 1, emerging technology. Yes. Regulatory increased absorption. Talking about the emerging technology, advance the area like blockchain, area Computer will further transformation and fintech landscape. 2. Regulatory evolution. Governments and regulatory bodies will need to adapt their policy and to the foster fintech growth while ensuring the consumer protection. Number 3, we have increased absorption. Fintech solutions are expected to become more mainstream as they continue to improve their financial accessibility and use the experience. That's all.